Good morning, everyone. Today, in this hour, we discuss about air pollution, effects and control methods of air pollution. This is B. Ramarao from SRRS Government Polytechnic Sirsila. In this hour, we discuss about on the completion of this period, you would be able to know what are the effects of air pollution, what are the control methods of air pollution, explanation about effect and control methods of air pollution, effects and control methods of air pollution. What is air pollution? Air pollution is air pollution is the introduction of chemicals, particulate matters, or biological materials that causes women or discontrol, discomfort to women or other living organisms or causes damage to the natural environment or built environment into the atmosphere. Air pollution, the presence of unwanted substance, the presence of unwanted substance present in air and adversely affected human beings, plants, animals and other materials is also called air pollution. The concentration of the substance should be changed in atmosphere is called atmosphere. This concentration should be changes by primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. Primary pollutants. Pollutants released into environment from a identifiable identifiable sources and exist as such as long time are called primary pollutants like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur trioxide, nitrogen oxides, etc. Secondary pollutants, pollutants formed by the reaction between primary pollutants in presence of sunlight is called secondary pollutant. Those are PAN, peroxyacetyl nitrate, acid rain, photochemical smog. Air pollution may be defined as the presence one or more contaminant or combinations thereof in air in such quantities and of such duration as may be lead to be injurious to human, animal or plant life or property or which unreasonable interference with the comfortable enjoyment of life or property or conduct of business. Conduct of business. It is an undesirable change in the physical, chemical or biological characteristics of air. Air pollution is causes due to an increasing in the content of harmful substance in the air such as excess of nitrogen, sulfur, etc. These pollutants classified by based on state, solid state pollutants, liquid state pollutant, gaseous pollutant. Solid state pollutants, dust particles, smoke, particulates present in air. These pollutants are called solid pollutants. Liquid state pollutants like fog, acids, industrial effluents, these are liquid pollutants. Gaseous pollutants, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur trioxide. Air pollution is said to exist at the levels of gases, solids or liquids present in atmosphere are high enough to human harmful gases, other organisms or materials like solid state particles, smoke particles, dust particles, liquid state particles, fog, acids, and gaseous particles, oxides of carbon, nitrogen, sulfurs. Those concentration increases, it causes air pollution. The air may become polluted by natural causes such as volcanoes, which releases as dust, sulfur, and other gases, or by forests. Forest fires that are occasionally naturally caused by caused by lighting. Today, human activities are responsible for most of the air pollution. An air pollutant is a substance in the air that adversely affect human beings and ecosystem. What is ecosystem? The interrelation between living and non-living things is called ecosystem. Pollutants can categorized into two types: primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. Which pollutants are directly releases from identifiable sources is called primary pollutants, like oxides, carbon dioxide, sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide. Secondary pollutant, pollutants formed by the reaction between primary pollutants is called secondary pollutants. Those are photochemical, smog, peroxyethyl nitrates, acid rain. These are secondary pollutants. Pesticides, mosquitoes, repellents, cleaning agent, etc. used in householders can cause toxic conditions. Building materials like asbestos, glass fibers, paints, glues, varnishes are all health hazard. They can cause irritation of the eye and skin, respiratory ailments, and causes cancer. Building materials like asbestos, glass fibers, paints, glue, varnish are health hazard. They can concentration should be increases the irritation of eye and skin and also causes cancer. Polluted air is affecting the health of the people, particularly child in Delhi alone, 1 out of even 10 school children suffering from asthma. Effects by children when increasing concentration. Sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide concentration increases, diseases like bronchitis, asthma, and lung cancer. These asthma main causes by oxides of sulfur, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide concentration should be increasing level in atmosphere. They causes asthma and lung cancer. As pollutant irritate the eyes and causes inflammatory of the respiratory tract. If the person already suffering from respiratory illness, air pollution may lead to the condition becoming chronic. At later stage, it can also lead to skin allergy. Skin diseases mainly caused by nitrogen oxide causes respiratory diseases like pulmonary edema and skin diseases. Skin diseases. Many pollutants also depress the immune system, making the body more prone to infection. Carbon monoxide from automobiles emissions can cause headache at lower levels and mental impairment and even death at higher levels. Carbon monoxide react with hemoglobin. Carbon monoxide react with hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin, which reduce oxygen supply to the body. This causes dizziness, headache, heart attack, loss of vision. These are affected by carbon monoxide. On the large scale, acid pollution leads to acid rain, ozone layer depletion, global warming. Acid rain, ozone layer depletion, global warming. These effects are caused by air pollution. Air pollution causes by acid rain. Rainwater should increases level of pH of more than 7 less than 7 is called acid rain. Acid rain. And also acid rain, photochemical smog, these all are concentration increases then causes of air pollution. Acid rain. Rainwater with pH value is less than 5.6 is called acid rain. The presence of small amount of acids in rainwater is called acid rain. Acid rain are formed due to presence of oxides of sulfurs and nitrogen releases by combustion of fossil fuels, emission of industry, power station and automobile exhausters. It is rainwater due to decreases nutrition of water level and also soil pH level and also affect damages of acid rain, trees, and also chlorophylls. These all are affected by acid rain. Greenhouse effect or global warming. The process of heating of Earth's atmosphere due to presence of some gases in atmosphere is called greenhouse effect or global warming. Those gases are carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, nitrogen oxide, CFCs. This greenhouse effect caused by deforestation, burning of fossil fuels, CFCs, methane. Effects of melting of ice caps, increasing sea levels, it changes of ecosystem, sudden cyclones are formed by greenhouse effect. Ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer depletion. The decrease or the decrease in concentration of ozone present in stratosphere due to some chemicals is called depletion of ozone. This ozone layer depletion caused by CFCs, freons, and nitrogen oxides, chlorine, methane, carbon dioxide, burning of coal and oil. These CFCs increase in level in atmosphere then causes ozone layer depletion. Control method. Give greater emphasis on pollution prevention rather than control. Reduce the uses of fossil fuels in increasing the uses of renewable energy uses fuel with low sulfur and ash control. Reduction of contaminant from the sources. The quantity of pollutants can be released by maintaining high temperature, adding fuel in small quantities. Correct method for firing or burning. Correct methods of firing or burning. Using of non-conventional sources like solar energy, hydrochemical energy, hydroelectricity, wind energy, tidal energy, these alternate energy sources uses, then pollution should be decreases. Improve the quantity of vehicle fuels uses unleaded petrol. Encourage people to use public transport, walk or use a cycle as opposite to private vehicles. Ensure that houses, schools, restaurants or playgrounds are not located on busy streets. Plant trees along busy streets as they remove particulates, carbon dioxide and absorb noise. The concentration of pollutant from the discharged by the using large chimneys, electrostatic precipitator, chemical sources and also catalytic conversion. Planting of more trees help to decreases carbon dioxide level and control greenhouse effect. Program the like social forestry, clean and green helpful to reduce the pollution level. Use of principles of chemistry and other sciences to reduce the effect of pollutant is called green chemistry. Green chemistry. Liquid carbon dioxide with suitable detergent is used for dry cleaning in place of tetrachloroethane. CFCs used in dry cleaning Then in this process we also used in carbon dioxide in liquid state. Industries and waste disposal should be situated outside in the city, preferable on the downing of the city. Catalytic converters should be used to control emission of carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons. Industries are arranged in outside of cities. Those process is called zoning of industries. Allocation of separate area for industries is called zoning of industries. A buffer zone is maintained between residential area and industrial area to reduce bad effects of pollution. Bad effect to pollution. Indiscriminate using of some fertilizers, pesticides, chemicals or causes pollution. Uses of biopesticides and bioinsecticides may be decreases the air pollution. The effects of pollution may be decreased to smoke some extent by educate the people about the bad effect of pollution. Which of the following is not a source of air pollution? Which of the following is not a source of air pollution? Automobile exhaust, burning of firewood, windmill, power plant. Solution: windmill. Which of the following is not a source of air pollution? Automobile exhaust, burning fire, windmill, power plant. Windmill. Automobiles releases carbon monoxide into atmosphere. Burning of firewood also releases smoke particulates and also carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide into power plant also generated some oxides of carbon, nitrogen and sulfur. Windmill is answer. Windmill means air generation electricity. The type of pollution which is likely to affect Taj Mahal in Agra to greater extent is air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution. The type of pollution which is likely to affect Taj Mahal in Agra to greater extent is air pollution, water pollution, soil and noise pollution. Answer: air pollution. The phenomenon of marble cancer is due to soot particles, CFCs, fog, acid rain. Acid rain is due to causes of marble cancer. Potable water is the water which is obtained from river, obtained from lake, pure and fit from drinking, used only for washing clothes. Potable water is the water which is obtained from a river, obtained from a lake, pure and fit for drinking, used only for washing clothes. Pure and fit for drinking purpose, uses potable water. What is potable? Water which is used for drinking is called potable water. Potable water. Potable water is very clean and neat. Potable water should have colorless, odorless and tasteless. It should be pH range between 6 to 7 is called potable water. This potable water very pure and fit for drinking. Potable water is clean and neat. About in this topic, frequently asked question, what are the effects of air pollution? What are the effects of air pollution? What are the control methods of air pollution? What are the control methods of air pollution? Explain about effect and control methods of air pollution. Explain about effect and control methods of air pollution. Thank you once again.